Hey, welcome back to another video. So in this video I'm going to talk about the Nunchuk64 Through-hole version. The SMD version was first made by Tulan some years ago, and I featured it on my YouTube channel, and yeah, so that was pretty cool. And I also had a giveaway, if somebody remember, I don't know. I have older videos, so I was thinking in November maybe I can make a through-hole version, because then I can get more people to make it, because I don't think so many people have made this board. So if you don't know what it is, you can have the Nintendo Nunchuk or NES Classic numpads. That's cool. Just program this thing. It has signs of life, so that's really nice. If you hold it, see double blink. And if you hold it again, you see double blink, hold it, you see a single blink, which is the way you switch port 1 and 2. So this is the page for the project. As you can see, Nunchuk64. In this case, it's the same setup as that I have, two wireless NES Classic controllers, which are fake by the way, but never mind. And we have also Duke Star making it. So that's cool. So this is the old board, and it's all SMD parts almost. So I have a Kung Fu Flash with the through-hole version of the Nunchuk, and it's working rather fine. I'm really happy with the result. It's not very often that I get it to work after programming it on the first try. I'm really happy about that. So I think DJ Tulan is going to merge this into his Nunchuk64 GitHub page. So you will see both the original one and then my through-hole one. So, but first, before I start, okay, I almost forgot. There are some things I'd like to change in with the resistor. Had a bit thicker wires or leads, and the footprints of KiCad is they have notoriously small holes, I think, on everything. So when you put the parts in there, they don't fall out so easily. That's one thing, but I'd rather have a little bit more margin. So this is one. You can see they have wide pins. Actually, I searched for the parts that was the same, had the same footprint as that I had used. But when I buy the parts after I made the board, it's no longer, yeah, you know, then you're out of luck. So I will just update the design before I give it to Tulan. Look here, I have to squeeze it in like this. It kind of works, but that's not how it should work, right? So I will change the footprint there. Okay, here I'm going to attach Q1. So as you can see, I had to pre-bend this, and it's so tight, so I have to bend them out to get that other pin backwards and then put them back again. So here I also want to just change the footprint. Oh, U1, we wanted wider pins. So let's have a look. Where is U1? U1 is a voltage regulator. If you go up here, we can actually select packages. So see if we can find a better package for this. If you don't, we can edit the package though in the hardware, in the layout. So here we go. U1 is a TO package. Through-hole. Let's see. Inline. Here we can see some wide thing. Let's see what this looks like. Alright, so this is one of the tight ones. Horizontal, wide. There you go. There's the one. So this is the one I want. Right. So let's just double click that. Now we have inline wide here. So, and then for Q1 to Q4, we also want to change. We saw in the layout that it looks like this, but we wanted it inline and narrow. So let's just find the narrow one. There you go. I don't know what this S and L is. I'm just gonna skip it. It's this one. Let's have a look at it. Looks fine. Double click it 4 times. 2, 3, 4. Alright, close and save. Let's go to the layout, and then in the layout we are now going to do something very risky. And that is load all the parts. So you can click this board, this part, it will do a couple of things for you automatically. But this one does everything in one go. So the risky part here is that you can actually lose footprints. So I think I'll only want to update. Not sure what's gonna happen if I delete something. So, okay, update. Okay, we have 8 unrouted, so we will have to look at that later. I think I will do it off video, but we didn't get any warnings. Everything looks fine. So yeah, there you have the narrow ones, and down here we have the wide ones, and all of them are in line. So now we can already see that we have a problem here. That's really easy to fix though. So let's just get the correct one. See, yeah, and then there was a green one. Let's go to green, or the bottom side. So now we have 6 unrouted. I think this one maybe, yeah, this one, this. Now I'm probably having more problems, but that's okay, we'll fix that. So here we go, 1.8, 0.9, and then I think this one was correct. Yeah, I'm happy with that. So now I think I've fixed all the problems that I wanted to fix, at least for this time being. So, but now we will have more problems again, so I will just fix those, and they just have those red markers here, so I can go through with the wires again, like on the correct layer anyway. This go through this. No idea what's going down here, but that's working. And what's going on here, I have no idea. Can draw it again maybe. Oh yeah, it's the thick one. It's not longer doing what it's supposed to, so we can just drag it perhaps. Press Ctrl G. Press G, drag. So let's drag it down a little bit. Now we have fixed that problem. Maybe I should do that for this one, or we can draw it again. Didn't I just draw it? Yeah, I think I did actually. Now we have a problem here too. Let's see if we can fix that. Ooh, we're doing something nasty here. Alright, do we have more arrows at this? Yep. Courtyard. We're going to ignore that courtyard thing. Yeah, it's not only the courtyard left. So now I'm happy with this. Now I can press Alt 3. We can look at it. Looks delicious. We have a little bit wider holes now than before. We have the footprints that I wanted inline for these, and we have wider for this one, for the voltage regulator. So, hope you liked this video and enjoy the soldering as it follows. Just program this thing. It has signs of life, so that's really nice. If you hold it, see double blink. Oops. And if you hold it again, see double blink, hold it, see a single blink, which is the way you switch port 1 and 2.